Today we are working on the Samsung top load WA422, all that jazz. That's the serial number. What happens here is the top load lock broke, so it would not lock. This piece is broken out, so ordered a new part maybe 60-70 bucks. You can look on Amazon or eBay. I'll put the part in the description, but this is the part number for this model Samsung washer. Alright, it's held on by 2 screws on the inside. This is the model, so these are the 2 screws that's holding it in. I just unscrewed it on the inside. Unscrewed that. And then this piece just pops out. Alright, so we'll have to do the same here to reinsert that. And I'll show how we taking off the back panel. Good magnetic screwdriver, good to have. Make sure you don't drop your screws. This is the inside panel. And what I'm looking for is this cable right here. Now, make sure good cabling. Make sure that you see how that goes back in there. Make sure when you swap it out that you push that back in there. You push that back into its spot. You want to make sure no wires or cables are left hanging around. So this is the one we're changing right here. So we're just gonna pull that out and swap it with the new connector. Alright. Alright, now this is cable, a little tricky. So see this little tab right here? Just press down, pop right out. Alright. Then we just need to disconnect and run this wire back under. Now it's disconnected, and just push it through. Everything is in here by ties. And see the twist tie in there that's holding it. See it? Twist tie. So just untwist that. Helps if you have small hands. And we're just going to put the new piece in. Screws, put them in the bleach there. This part goes on the top. Okay, on top.
Catch me on top.
We just snake this back through, and now all we doing is we connecting it back. Connecting it, and then push it back into this spot. There we go. Push it back in this spot. And let's reconnect it. And let's press start. Let's wash. Let's plug this joint back up. And let's see what it does. And she works. She works, she works, she works.
It's flowing. It wasn't filling with water before.
And that's a quick change. Saved yourself another $500. I think that part was $60 from eBay. And that's a wrap.